Ha- Haloalkanes and haloarenes. Halo means all halogens represented by X, that is fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Alkane means that is carbon-carbon single bond and
Single
saturated.
bond. Yes, sir.
Saturated.
Sir, what are saturated bonds, sir?
Saturated if they compounds having single bond, no double and no triple bond.
Okay, sir.
Saturated compounds are always alkanes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
If we will do accordingly, that is methane, that is alkane, simplest compound. Then you have to subtract one hydrogen. At place of hydrogen, you have to one halogen. Likely you added the chlorine. You have subtracted, you have substituted one hydrogen with the help of chlorine, and you got CH3, Cl. So simply we can say C, H, 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 and then H. Then here also all hydrogens are bonded singly with carbon atom. Here one chlorine atom. When you will bring here substitute H and it will out. So you will see simply C, H, 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 and then Cl. So same compound here, same here. So this one is chloromethane. Chloromethane. Okay. This is also chloromethane. In such a way,
Okay, sir.
there are many compounds. These hydrogens also substituted by all halogens. If one halogen substitute one hydrogen, that is called monohaloalkanes. Monohaloalkanes. If two hydrogens are substituted, two halogens, then dihaloalkanes.
Alkane.
If more than two, like CH, Cl3, polyhalo,
Okay, sir.
polyhaloalkanes. Now question arises here, what are primary, secondary, and tertiary haloalkanes? Now, primary, secondary, and tertiary haloalkanes. Primary, secondary, and tertiary haloalkanes. Then what are primary or 1 degree? Primary haloalkanes or 1 degree. Primary haloalkanes or 1 degree haloalkanes. Just see here primary. If R, that is alkyl group linked with CH2X, here that is the primary. It is called primary. The carbon,
Sir, so
listen,
al
the carbon linked with halogen, the carbon directly linked with halogen having at least two hydrogens, that is called primary or 1 degree or 1 degree. In another case, if then 1R and 2R and only one hydrogen, a single halogen, if halogen linked carbon having only one hydrogen, that is called 2 degree or secondary. or secondary haloalkanes. Number third, if R1, C, R2, and R3. In such a case, also halogens. In all three cases, these have single halogen, one halogen, all are monohalogen compounds, all are monohalogen compounds. But here is carbon bearing two hydrogen, that is called primary. Here carbon bears only one hydrogen, that is called 2 degree. If carbon bears here no hydrogen, that is 3 degree or tertiary. So all these things are applicable only in case of saturated compounds. If double bond comes or triple bond comes, the name will be different. In such case, we can't say primary, secondary, or tertiary. That will be different kind of nomenclature. But first of all, you have to identify which one is primary or which one is secondary carbon. The first thing is the identification of this. Okay. Now you can identify easily primary, secondary, or tertiary.
Sir, so primary must be one alkyl group, sir, whereas secondary will be having two alkyls, sir.
Yeah, exactly.
And tertiary will be having three alkyl groups. Sir.
Yeah, yeah.
And all of them must compulsorily have one halogen, sir.
Yeah, one halogen. That is called monohalogen.
Okay, sir. Sir, but they can have more than one halogen, right, sir?
Yeah, yeah. That is now monohalogen. Monohalogen bearing compounds. So these are primary, secondary, tertiary, and these are identified on the basis of the carbon linked with halogen having two hydrogen, that is primary, carbon bearing linked with halogen with one hydrogen, secondary, and carbon linked with halogen, there is no hydrogen, that is tertiary. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now, generally, you have to learn the common names also. They are very important. And questions are also asked in such a way, giving you. That is gem dihalides. Gem dihalides. Now, what are gem dihalides? That is common name. If I would like to say CH2, Cl, Cl. In IUPAC, I told you one methane group, two halogens, then 1,1 dichloromethane. One comma one dichloromethane, that is the common name or IUPAC name, but general name, this one is methylidene. Methylidene chloride. Not dichloride. Methylene dichloride. If in such name, that is the EDENE. If where there is,
this belongs to gem dihalides.
Yeah. If where there is EDENE, if I say you, example, ethylidene chloride. So if someone asks you, this is what kind of haloalkanes, in such case, you see EDENE. If EDENE is linked with this, it will tell that is the gems. That is gem halide.
Okay, sir. So wherever this EDENE
where
is
is
coming,
EDENE, where there is EDENE, it means it is gems halide.
So ethylidene chloride should be like Cl, CH2, and then Cl. Sir.
Just a minute, I am telling. Ethylidene, two carbons. CH3, CH, Cl. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
ethyl no. Two halogens. Two halogens. Just a minute. If two halogens are linked with same carbon atom, with same carbon atom. If two halogens are linked with same carbon atom called gems, alright.
Okay, sir.
So other examples, more examples I am giving you. What are gems, alright? More examples. Gem, dihalide. Gems, dihalide. When you write, there no need to write the dihalide, only write to ethylidene chloride, propylidene chloride. Okay. So,
Okay.
and halogens should be the same kind of. If you will put Br for no gem, there should be same. There should be same. If here is here is Br, no gem. In this case, no gems.
Why, sir, it is not a gem? Because
There should be same halogen.
okay, so
Okay.
same halogen should be there.
Yeah,
If there is
yeah.
one Cl, the other one should also be Cl.
Exactly.
Okay, sir.
Because same dihalide, same halogens. Okay. If different halogens, so the rule is not applicable. Now, second case. Cl, Cl. This is also gem. Yes. In this case, fluorine, fluorine. Same carbon atom. This is also gem dihalide. Here is COOH and here is Cl. Here is Cl. That is gem. Gems dihalide. So all are gems compound. If same carbon atom bearing the same kind of halogens, that is called gems dihalides. Now you can identify anywhere for any kind of compound. They can be in center or at the terminal also. One more example. C, CH3, C, Br, Br, and then CH3. So this is also gems dihalide.
Because bromine, two bromines are attached to the same
Yes,
carbon.
yes, exactly. But IUPAC name will be different. This is 2
Sir,
dibromo propane.
IUPAC, yes, sir.
2 comma 2 dibromo propane. Okay, but that is, it will ask James dihalide or common name propylidene. Propylidene. Okay, EDN. Bromide, no dibromide. Propylidene bromide. So it is understood if EDN is present, it means two halogens are present at the same carbon atom. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So you have to follow accordingly.
Sir, how to name compounds, these gem dihalide compounds, sir?
Which one?
How to name all these gem dihalides,
No,
sir?
no, 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 no. Gem dihalide you will name accordingly. If this is okay, 1, 2, 3. So in such a case, you will say
So
that
three, wait, sir, can I trace it? We have
no,
three carbons, sir.
there 3 carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay,
Four,
but
five.
common name. Then pentane. So pentylidene. Not iso this thing.
Okay, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Iso, yeah, you can say butyl pentyl also. Iso pentylidene. Iso pentylidene bromide. Chloride.
Okay, sir.
Right? Iso pentylidene chloride. The common names. Cyclobutylidene chloride. Okay? Cyclobutylidene chloride. Cyclobutylene chloride. Okay? You have to name accordingly.
Okay, sir.
Now, question arises here. If James dihalides are those compounds having two halogens linked with same carbon atom. Now, in another case, vicinal dihalides. These halogens may be here or may be here also differently. So, in such case. Now, next is vicinal dihalides. In short, we can say VIC, dihalides. VIC,
Sir, it's how
vicinal.
do you pronounce this, sir? Vicinal dihalides. Okay.
Vicinal dihalides. Vicinal dihalides.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you will pronounce it vicinal dihalides. So we can say V dihalides. V dihalides.
Okay, sir.
In such case, if two halogens are linked with consecutive carbon atoms, consecutive carbon atoms called vicinal dihalides. Vicinal dihalides. In such case, if two halogens are linked with consecutive carbon atoms called vicinal dihalides. In such case, CH2, Cl, and then CH2, Cl. So it is vicinal dihalide. Vicinal dihalide. Then common name of this one is ethylene chloride. No dichloride. Here ENE. In previous case EDENE. Here ENE. It means
Okay, sir.
two halogens are linked with this one. Another case
Okay.
CH3, Cl, CH2. Then Cl, Cl. So name will be 1, 2, 3, 3 carbon propylene chloride. Propylene chloride. Okay, it will be propylene chloride with 2 carbon atoms. 1, 2. In third case, again, we will do Cl, Cl. This is also cyclopentylene.
Cyclopentene,
Pentylene.
cyclopentylene
Pentylene.
chloride.
Yes.
Chloride.
Chloride. Okay. If I give you question and you have to identify.
Sir, can you go back to the last slide again? Sir? Just a minute.
Yeah.
I'll take it through.
Done?
Yes, sir. Done, sir.
Then next case. Identify the James dihalides and vicinal dihalides.
Sir, first one is not, sir. Oh, first one is gem dihalide, sir. Second one is
No, this is gem dihalide because
gem dihalide, sir.
yes.
Yes, sir. Second one is with vicinal dihalide, sir.
This is vicinal. With 2 different consecutive carbon vicinal
Yes, sir.
dihalide.
Sir, dihalide.
And
Sir,
this
third one in the same carbon there are 2 chlorates, sir.
Here 2
And
carbon
in the
atoms.
next one there are 1 carbon.
No, here is
So vicinal dihalide.
1, 2. That is
Vicinal dihalide.
vicinal, or this one is gems. Okay, this is vicinal dihalide, 2 carbon, this is gems. Here, this carbon is gem
So
dihalide.
similarly also, sir.
Yes.
That is gem dihalide. And the next is vicinal, sir.
This and this is. Okay?
Okay.
Exactly. This is dihalide. Right. Absolutely.
Sir, I have a doubt here, sir.
Yeah, again.
Sir, always do the halogens need to be on the same side, sir, or they can be on the opposite side in vicinal dihalides?
No, it can be opposite also. Anyway.
Okay, sir.
Okay, on any side, anyway. But this should be considered. Okay? Now,
Okay, sir.
next question is, if this position change, terminal, third question is, terminal dihalides. Terminal dihalide. The terminal dihalide CH2C, CH2C, also called terminal, because at the ending carbon atoms, halogens are there. CH2C, CH2, CH2C, that terminal carbon atom. Third case, CH2C, CH2, 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 fourth case, CH2, Br, CH2, CH2,
So the halogen bond should be attached to the
Okay.
starting and ending of the
Ending.
branch.
Starting ending, yeah. At the end of the branch. Okay. So these are called the terminal. So this is vicinal also as well as terminal. If you will say terminal, so what will name this one? What will name this one? Dimethyl. Dimethylene bromide. 1, 2. 1, 2. Dimethylene chloride. Dimethylene chloride. Here is 1, 2, 3. Trimethylene chloride. Understood? Halogens are at the ending. If you write trimethylene. Trimethylene chloride. Name this tetra 1, 2, 3, 4. Tetramethylene.
So tetramethyl chloride.
Methylene. Tetramethylene
Ah,
chloride. Methylene, no methyl. Here also tetramethylene bromide. Tetramethylene bromide. Now you can identify effectively what kind of compounds are present here. So I have given you a view of these kind of compounds like gems, vicinal, and terminal dihalides. Terminal dihalides is at the ending of the chain if two halogens are linked. And halogens should be of same kind of, again, I am repeating this thing. The halogen should not be different. Okay? Now,
okay, sir.
question if trihalogen, the example dihalogen. Now I am going to write the trihalogens. Trihalogen compound. Trihalogen compound. That is, if three halogens link with same carbon atom, with same carbon atom. So got trihalogens like CH, Cl3, common is chlorophore. Then CH, Br3 called bromophore. You have to learn all number third. CHI3, it means iodophore. That is a very common thing. Chloroform, bromoform, iodoform. These are the common names. If one carbon atom is linked with three halogens. So in such case, you will say chloroform, bromoform, and iodoform. So these are polyhalous compounds already I defined it. Okay. The tetrahalogen compounds also. Tetrahalogen compounds. Now, in case of tetrahalogen compounds, if same carbon atom, if same carbon atom linked with for same kind of halogen, for same kind of halogen, like CCl4, carbon tetrachloride, carbon tetrachloride. If CBr4, carbon tetra bromide. Okay? This is it. These compounds, polyhalogen derivative also you can write in two different ways. Now, polyhalogen derivatives. Polyhalogen derivatives also you have to write. Means if here is CH2, CH2, CH3, CH3, that is ethane. CH3, CH3. If hydrogens are replaced by halogens, that is chlorine right now. I am giving example of chlorine.
Sir, one hydrogen or all hydrogens, sir?
1, 2, 3 all. CH, Cl2 here, CH, Cl2, only 2 hydrogens. You can replace all also. One case, you can replace all hydrogen also. Second case, C, Cl3, C, Cl3. Both cases are called
CCl3.
Yeah. So this is called hexachloroethane. Hexa 6-chloro, 6-chloro. That is called hexachloro. Hexachloroethane. This is tetrachloroethane. Tetrachloroethane. You can name accordingly you are getting the polyhalogen derivatives. It means two or more than two or single carbon atom if having more than number 2 halogens linked with itself, it is called polyhalogen compound. Like carbon tetrabromide also polyhalogen, carbon tetrachloride also polyhalogen, all these are polyhalogen compounds. Now, next thing is called vinyl. Vinylic compound. Vinylic compound. Now you think about the vinylic compounds. If such kind of bonding you would like to see NCERT book, that is the X. Means you have to interpret here is carbon, C, double bond C, single bond, that is the halogen. Halogen may be fluorine, chlorine, bromine. Yeah, here is sp2 hybridization. sp2 you already learned in the 11th in chemical bonding. Here also sp2. But
Sir,
here,
actually, I do not know about hybridization much, sir.
okay, don't worry. When I will tell you the chemical bonding, I will explain more. So here is chlorine, bromine. So in such case, you have to write more elaboration. CH2 double bond CH2 Cl. So CH2 CH2 Cl. So that is a vinyl chloride. Okay. This situation can come anywhere. Like CH3, CH double bond C. If here is chlorine, here is CH2, then CH3. So this is double bond, this is single bond chlorine. That is also vinylic state. This is also vinyl.
Oh, vinyl fluoride, sir.
Vinylic chloride. Vinylic state. Okay, vinyl chloride. Here vinyl chloride, here vinyl. So that is double bond character present here. But in IUPAC, you can name differently. This also differently. 1, 2, 2 chloroethene. 2 chloroethene. Similarly here, 1, 2, 3, 3 fluoro, pen, 3 in. Okay. But not pen 3 in, you will name the pen 2 in. Because in the chain, double bond is nearest this side, 1, 2. Then 3 fluoro, branch is not given preference, 3 fluoro, pen 2 in. So that is common name, vinyl chloride. Vinyl chloride. Okay.
Okay.
Now, this is example number 2. Now, example number 3, you can write here in case of vinyl benzene. Here is Cl. We generally say chlorobenzene. We generally say chlorobenzene. But this is also vinylic carbon. This is also vinylic carbon. Carbon, double bond carbon, then this one. So, 1, 2. Then double bond. Here is 1, 2. That is double bond and the chlorine. In such case, it is a vinylic state. 1. So double bond and then halogen, that is also vinyl. Vinyl state. Okay. Now, next one is allyl. Next one is allyl. Allyl halides. Allyl halides, like this structure you would have seen. This structure you would have seen this halogen. More explain this. Here is carbon, here carbon, here carbon, carbon, carbon. Then here is CH2 and then X. X is chlorine, chlorine, bromine.
Bromine, iodine.
Here is CH2, here is CH. So this carbon is that is sp3 hybridization. So that is called allyl halide. Example, CH2 double bond CH, then CH2, then Cl. C 1, 2, 3, 3 chloro propionine, 3 chloro pro 1 ene. Okay. In such case, double bond, then single bond, then halogen. So that is called allyl chloride. Allyl chloride. Okay. Now we will log in again. Just a minute. I will send you link also this.